Discover 32.55 acres of beautiful land in Northeast Tennessee, offering the perfect blend of gently rolling to sloping terrain with a mix of open pasture and mature wooded areas. Currently used for horses, this property is well suited for farming, recreation, or building your dream home. One of the standout features is the stunning view of the Bays mountain range, providing a scenic backdrop year-round. A strong, year-round flowing creek runs along the back of the property, adding both beauty and functionality. With multiple potential building sites scattered throughout, this tract offers flexibility whether you're looking for privacy, views, or convenience. Access to the property is located at the end of Blake Lane on the left. Come experience the peace, beauty, and possibilities this exceptional piece of land has to offer. All information taken from a third-party source.